If you're a practitioner looking to share case studies with your peers and learners, here's a quick guide to creating a course and managing access with ease. Step 1. Create a new course. From the home page, go to My Case Studies in the top right corner. Click Create a Course. Give your course a clear name and description so learners know what it's about. You'll also see an option to make the discussion public. If enabled, other users can view and join the conversation inside your course. Click Save to continue. Step 2. Add case studies. Scroll to the case study list section and select Add Case Studies. Browse the library and open the case study you want to include. On the case study page, click Add Case Study to Course. Choose your course from the pop-up and select Add. Repeat this process anytime to include more case studies. Step 3. Review. Return to My Created Courses and open the course you just built. Check your case study list and make any edits to the name or description if needed. Step 4. Choose how learners will access the materials. You can also purchase teaching materials for yourself, including downloadable PDFs, teaching notes, and slides. These materials are for instructors only. When sharing case studies with learners, you have two access options. Purchase and share with learners. You pay upfront and your learners get instant access. Learners pay. You share the course link and learners purchase their own access. Select the option that best fits your teaching setup. Step 5. Complete the purchase if applicable. If you choose to purchase for your learners, enter the number of learners, click Go to Checkout, choose your payment method, and fill in your billing information. Paying with a credit card grants instant access. For bank transfer, access will be activated once the payment is confirmed, which may take a bit longer. Once your purchase is complete, go back to My Case Studies. Open the My Courses tab and select your course. Here, you can see how many learner slots you've purchased and how many learners have already joined. Click Copy Link and share it via email or your preferred messaging platform. To enhance your experience, here are some features you can use. Bookmark a case study. If you want to save a case study for quick access later, click the bookmark icon. Your saved case studies appear in My Bookmarks. Highlight and take notes. To highlight something important, select the text and click the Highlight tool. Your highlights and notes are saved privately in My Notes, so you can review them anytime or prepare for class discussions. And that's it! You are now ready to build courses, share case studies, and support your learners through Nikkei BizRuptors.